What's up? Welcome back. Oh my gosh, mouse, please. What's up? Welcome back. And I've been working on some stuff, as you can see. Darn it. As you can see, I've built a beacon here. I have jump boost and speed 2. Both of them are 2, but the other 3 are just for decoration, I think. Yeah, just for decoration. And, I'm sorry, but my, computer last night was having problems with recording. So like I recorded an entire video and then it just stopped. Like it wasn't even doing it. It didn't record. There. Can't speak English right now. I built this, which I'll put a tutorial on in this video. This is the tutorial. It's a working microwave. Except this time you don't have to stand in front of it for 3 hours. You could let it sit there for 3 hours. So I'm gonna take a piece of food and let's see. I like chicken. So just throw it in there. There's no sounds or anything. You just do 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 do. Come on. It takes about as long as a furnace does. It does take that long. Oh, yeah. I toyed with this a lot, and as you can see, it cooked my chicken. So here, I'll show you the redstone behind it. There's only a few bits of redstone. Like I would put a list on this, but you really don't need a list. Okay, so this is it. That is it. Just how small it is. This is my own idea, guys. Oh, I have this hammer time axe because it looks like a hammer, and it makes sense to have a hammer when you're building. But for some reason, Minecraft doesn't need hammers. Okay, so really, this is all it. There's a hopper here that's under a block, so you just throw your item in here and it picks it up. Like you just have to throw it right at the corner and it picks it up, puts it in the furnace. I just put a bunch and a bunch and a bunch of coal blocks in there. And then there's another hopper down here with a dropper, but right here there's a comparator, so when the item goes into the hopper, the comparator turns on and goes to this repeater and then goes through all that and powers this dropper. And then over here there's another comparator that powers all these, that powers this dropper, because then the item's gone into this one, but there's nothing powering it. So then this powers it, and then it's in the dropper, in the next dropper. And that's really the redstone behind it. So let's start building this thing, guys. Okay, first of all, you're gonna need some blocks. I'm gonna use some clay. Let's see. Where's the clay? There it is. Alright, I'm gonna use white stained clay, lime stained clay, yellow stained clay, and red stained clay. Now, oh, you're also gonna need a furnace. Almost forgot all that. Get a furnace, get redstone, get droppers. Wait, no, droppers, get droppers. And then get hoppers. And that is basically it. So, that's all you're gonna, oh no, no, there's more, there's more. There's way more. Right. Hammer time, go away. All my blocks just go away. I don't need you right now. Okay. Then you're gonna need comparators. Then you're gonna need repeaters. I just spelled that wrong, like an idiot. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna grab my white stained clay, green stained clay, yellow stained clay. I don't need my hammer right now. Okay, so this, alright, so this block right here, so build this. It's just a simple, no cage looking thing. I make it. So then just put a dropper right here for now. Now this spot right here, this block, that block is going to be the block where you drop your item in. That's where you're going to drop something in to cook it or to microwave it. So below that block, put in a hopper. Actually, let me make some space here. Alright, so right here, put a hopper facing down. Break these two. And then have your furnace here. And then have a dropper here. Break this dropper. Put a dropper there and a dropper above it. There we go. And then have a hopper going into here. And then from there, have a redstone comparator. Come on. Have a redstone comparator coming out of it. Then from there on, have a repeater here set to 4 ticks delay, and just continue that until you get to the end of your place, at the end of your long hall. I just made some space here, so it's not going to be exact as the other one. It's going to take like maybe a minute longer, but that's fine. And then there's that, and then have a comparator coming out of this hopper, or no, not hopper, dropper, and then get a redstone repeater, 4 ticks delay, and then grab some blocks, hook it around, place a block here, then get some redstone repeaters, and just line them up. No, 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 I broke it. There we go. I don't need the end there. And I think that is it. Oh, one more thing. Let's see, just gonna clear up my hotbar here. Oh, come on, let me clear up my hotbar, Minecraft. We don't got time for this. Alright, so then just clear out everything, your entire inventory. So then, grab some fuel. I use coal blocks because if you use a lava bucket, it uses it like forever. So it's like really, really, really annoying. And then another thing you could do is get a hopper and then put it into your furnace, and then have a double chest up here. Just have a chest up here, and then all you have to do is put more coal blocks. That's it. That's it, guys. So I'm just gonna fill up this chest. I don't need this axe. Okay, there we go. That's it, guys. This is basically it. Hope you enjoyed. And oh, and one more thing. There's gonna be another build in this video. So stay tuned while I finish this up. So now I have a completely full one. Why? Okay, so now just grab your blocks, place them down. Sorry guys, I'm really picky about this stuff. Oh, one more thing guys, I almost forgot. Grab a dropper. No, well you don't have to grab a dropper, but anything that can contain items and place it right there. And well, you're done. No, I don't want to reset that. That's it, guys. So I will show you that it is foolproof working. Hopefully. Okay. Check on. Alright, let's grab one of these. Throw it. No, wait, did that do it? It did. Okay. So then if you want to check, go down here, it's cooking. There you go. Okay. Apparently this is not working for some reason. Let's see. Oh, is that not enough? Yeah, it's enough delay. Guys, I'm probably gonna have to fix this. Wait a minute. What? You're not transparent. I know you're not a transparent block. Fine. If you want to be bumhole about it, just grab some redstone. There we go. Now, are you gonna work? Work. Sorry, I have problems. Okay, cook it up. Why don't... Oh, now you want to work, huh? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this part of it. So now it's finally working. Well, let's get on to the next build. Empty out my inventory. Okay, the next build. Ah! Stop it. I'm pressing escape. Thank you. Okay, the next build is gonna be. Can you guess it? No, you can't because you don't even know that. You don't even have a hint. It's gonna be a secret door! Yeah, everybody does that now. I feel so depressed because there's nothing else I can really do right now. Probably didn't understand that because my mic didn't catch all of that. But I don't know. Hopefully my mic is working. Please? Please be working. Okay, because I don't get like a feedback on this. This is like straight from my computer. Guys, my recording is straight from my computer. It's like all computer. I have no editing software or anything like that. Oh, and this build, it's actually pretty simple. You don't even have to have this. It's just an infinite loop. You need a sticky piston, slime block, redstone block, and some redstone. And you're done. Just hook it up like a square, like this. Okay, so a secret door! Yay! What kind of secret door is this? It's kind of secret door that nobody likes. Or you have to use a freaking redstone torch. Okay, grab some redstone. and a redstone torch. And then grab some blocks. I'm gonna use quartz. And then grab a sticky piston. And then grab a lever. Wait, how deep in a place? Okay. Ruh-roh. Okay, so I'm gonna build a floor to this since my world is only a few blocks deep. And guys, as soon as I figure out how to do some console videos, I will start doing them like rapidly. I'll probably be playing some Black Ops, Call of Duty Black Ops. I'll be doing tutorials that work on the console. Oh, and guys, if you were wondering, this build over here, what is it? It's a double piston lift, except it doesn't work because Minecraft. This version of Minecraft is stupid. The Windows 10 is stupid. Now, guys, I will be doing normal Minecraft videos. Like normal Minecraft videos. Not Windows 10, normal Minecraft videos. Except I just bought this version because it was on the Microsoft Store. Now I realize it's the wrong version! Okay, well. So I'm going to finish this. Make sure it's at least 4 blocks high. Like just the wall. Like in here, like if you're standing from here, it only has to be this tall. But I'm making it 4 blocks tall because I can. Okay, so you don't really have to build a full roof. I'm not gonna. So first of all, grab this, grab some blocks, and build behind it. Build behind it. Okay. So right here, grab a sticky piston. Do that with it. Okay, now place redstone right here, redstone right here. Oh, nope, do not do that. that will ruin it all. And then place redstone here, and place redstone on top of your piston. Okay, wait. You can do that? Oh my gosh. It's Jason Bourne. Okay, so, oh. Place a redstone torch there. Now, go down here, pull it down. Okay, so then go down here. Guys, this idea came from FedEx Gaming. You guys should really check out his channel. It's awesome. He's done really amazing videos, redstone videos. He makes redstone houses and stuff like that. So check him out. I'll even leave a link in the description to his channel if you want to check it out. Just know that I'm the one that led you there. Okay, never mind about that. So, right there's my hole. Right? Yep. Okay, so this, right above here, is where you're going to place this. See? That's what it does. It pulls it out and gives you back your redstone torch. Okay, so now, we'll get in here. Grab a piston. A sticky piston right there. Place a block there, place your block back. And then just grab redstone torch. Block there. And then do that. And then, now let's see, where did I put it? Was it there? Yes, it was there. So stand right under it. And place your redstone torch, and you will fall. So just do this. You have a secret room. Yeah, but you want to lock it behind you, right? Well, who wouldn't want to do that? So all I do is I just, okay, I'm going to break that lever. Okay, go back, replace the lever. Okay, there we go. And then place redstone behind it. And come back around and connect there. There you go. You're all done. Yay. Those are the 2 redstone builds today, so yay. We're done. Gosh, I feel so sad now. Well, I'm just gonna do this. I'm sad and depressed. No, I'm kidding. I'm not depressed. I don't feel depressed. Okay, place a redstone torch. So if you place a redstone torch, and you want to open it back up, just do that. And I just like to grab ladders. Grab the ladder. Grab the ladder. Now, FedEx Gaming has a different version of this. Wait, yeah. Okay. He has a different version where the piston will stay open. Like, it'll stay open when you place the torch here, so you can just walk in. But I think this version is, like, a little bit better because you don't have to lock it behind you. And so that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. And wait, does this still work? No, it doesn't. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed. And leave a like, subscribe. Here, it's the end of the video, and I forgot to say something. How many likes I want? Maybe 10 likes. 10 likes, please? Pretty please? Super pretty please? And, yay. So, finish this build. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you in the next episode. Wait a minute! One more thing. I forgot. I almost forgot. a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Wait a minute. Is it true? Is it true? Is it really possible? And you're wondering, what do you mean by this? I mean, is it possible to do sorry, give me a sec. To do this. No, it's not. Darn it! Okay, I will see you guys. Darn it, I gotta clear my inventory. Okay, I probably have very bad, like, you guys can probably barely hear me because I'm so far away from my computer right now. But who cares? Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.